Hello everyone. Today my numerical problem on variational method one dimensional harmonic oscillator problem by variational method. Consider a particle takes simple harmonic motion along x direction having displacement x from mean position at any time. Then their total energy in quantum mechanics is called Hamiltonian, is given by H is equal to P square by 2m plus half kx square, where k is the force constant, m omega square, where omega is the angular frequency. Now using momentum operator, P is equal to h cut upon I d by dx. The value of h is minus h cut square by 2m d2 by dx2 plus half m omega square x square. Now take trial wave function psi is equal to a e to the power minus ax square, where a is the normalizing constant and small a is the variational parameter. Now apply variational method. Expectation value of h is equal to ratio of bracket notation psi h psi upon psi psi star h psi dx integral psi star psi dx. The harmonic oscillator is a bounded oscillation, bounded motion between negative extremum value to positive extremum value. So we have take the limit of integration minus infinity to plus infinity. Now put the value of wave function psi and their conjugate psi star. So denominator will be psi bracket notation psi psi star psi dx a square e to the power minus twice ax square dx. The value of this integral is determined by the use of this formula x to the power 0. So m is equal to 0. A is equivalent to twice a. X to the power n x square, मतलब n is equal to 2. And minus infinity to plus infinity, convert 0 to infinity by multiplying 2. So 1 by n, 1 by 2. Gamma m plus 1 by n means gamma 3 by 2 upon twice a to the power 3 by 2. Gamma 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 root pi. So after calculation, the value is this a square under root pi upon root twice a. Now solve numerator. Psi h psi, psi star h psi dx, psi star a e to the power minus ax square, psi a e to the power minus ax square, and h is equal to this value. Hamiltonian operator have a term d2 by dx2 e to the power minus twice ax square, e to the power minus ax square. After differentiation, you will get the value of this. Now putting in numerator psi h psi, you will get this term. It has a 3 terms, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now solve first term. X square means m is equal to 2, a replaced by twice a, and n is equal to 2. So their value is 1 by 2 gamma m plus 1 by n. M is 2. So gamma m plus 1, m is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 by n मतलब 2 मतलब गामा 3 by 2. Gamma 3 by 2. And minus infinity to plus infinity is change 0 to infinity by multiplying by 2. And gamma 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 root pi. Similarly, you can find the value of this integral and this integral by use of that formula. Finally, you will get this term. Now, putting in equation number 2, the equation number 2 is h expectation is equal to integral psi star h psi dx upon psi star psi. Numerator have value this and denominator have value this, so a square is cancelled out. Under root pi by twice a comes in numerator, under root twice a by pi, and this term is this term is this term is this. After calculation, you will get the value of h expectation is equal to a h cut square by twice m plus m omega square by 8. This can be assumed as total energy E. A h cut square by twice m plus m omega square by 8. Now differentiating with respect to variational parameter and taking equal to 0 to minimize this energy. dE by dA is equal to 0. So A is equal to under root m square omega square by 2h cut. Now after calculation, m omega by 2h cut. Now putting in above equation, equation number 3, the value of A can be put in this equation. You will get E minimum is equal to this term, this plus this. After solving, you will get the minimum energy of harmonic oscillator by the use of variational method. E minimum is equal to half h cut omega. This is the end of my lecture.